So this will be the quickest trip to Spain you ever take. Welcome to episode 1. Today we're making this. Store-bought versus the one we made. Can you spot the difference?
I know I might be a little late, but today I'm gonna show you how to make roscón.
And before you even ask,
Yes, I'm from Spain.
so
We don't say Rosca de Reyes, we say Roscón. Say it with me. Roscón. So let's do it.
So to kick things off, you are gonna start by mixing your dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, a little baking powder, and softened butter. And finally, a zest of a lemon or a lime. In a separate bowl, warm up some milk. I use coconut milk and add the yeast with some sugar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Once it's ready, pour it into the dry ingredients. Add some anise and the orange essence, don't forget. Add 2 eggs. Now, it's time to knead the dough. It's my favorite part. Work it until it's smooth and elastic. This step takes a little bit of patience. Once it's ready, let it rest overnight in the fridge. The next day, bring the dough to room temperature. Shape it into a ring and let it rise again for another 30 minutes minimum. After, you're gonna have to brush it with the egg wash that we have prepared. A little bit of water and a little bit of egg. Then we add our toppings. Sliced almonds, coconut flakes, and pearl sugar. Bake the roscón at 350 for about 30 minutes. While it's baking, whip up some heavy cream until it's light and fluffy. Then let it chill in the fridge. Okay, 30 minutes up. Time to take the puppy out of the oven. Now we have to let it cool down before we cut it in half. So we cut it in half and we spread the whipped cream, the best filling. And that's it. You've made a traditional Spanish roscón. Woohoo!
Now, please don't get mad because we ate this entire thing without showing you guys our reaction to it. For those of you that are new here, a roscón isn't something we eat all year long.
But if you ever been to New Orleans for Mardi Gras and had a king's cake,
Or if you ever had one of Mexico's conchas,
it's nothing like a concha though.
just wait, I'm gonna get to that.
It's not a concha.
Let me be clear, it's not the same. It's a whole different level of deliciousness, and honestly, it's out of this world. So let us break it down. Welcome to our new series,
Cooking with John. Cooking with John and Iván.
You ready? 3, 2.
Since we got married, sometimes we can make it back to Spain for the holidays.
So this year, we decided to bring a little piece of home to us. And even though we're posting the video a little late after the holiday season, we're bringing it to y'all for you to use any time of the year. Now, our only rule is that you enjoy it together with family and with...
A hot cocoa.
No, with friends, but a hot cocoa works too. Now, if this is your first time coming to Spain with us, in December and in January, it's usually cold, but the vibes are warm. Like we just showed you a warm roscón for dessert, con café or coffee, or with a hot chocolate. That's a yes, yes, yes for me, and it's a yes, yes, yes
For me,
or if you're feeling fancy.
you can get some churros con chocolate for breakfast.
That was so hot. Now, this is episode 1 of our new series, Cooking with John and Iván. In case you didn't miss it, we're not trained chefs. We're normal human beings cooking a meal in our house.
Well, I hope you guys like this recipe.
It's
History behind it.
delicious. Should you choose to come back to our table for another recipe, well, you know where to find us. Thanks for watching episode 1 of Cooking with John.
And Iván.